Looking for affordable but quality townhouse here in Bulacan? Ito na po ang pinaka-affordable townhouse na pwede namin i-offer sa'yo dito sa Bulacan. For as low as 6,000 monthly amortization through Pag-ibig, and you can have your own home. Sa walang Pag-ibig dyan, we offer in-home financing. Sa likod po, meron po tayong 2-meter setback na pwede nating gawing laundry area o kaya naman i-convert into dirty kitchen. So, ang minimum lot area nito is 36 square meter at ang floor area is 46.6 square meter. 2-story townhouse na provision for 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. At ang pinakagusto ko dito, malapit siya sa palengke at school. 1 bus ride lang siya going to Trinoma, Monumento at Divisoria.